We got hardcore anime versus family-friendly dinosaurs. Coming right up.
We got a whole new bracket coming at you today for Animation Wars Part 2. Azuki, Claynosaurs. Let's go. Welcome back to another episode of Unboxing Web3. Guccheetah here. I'm coming at you across the seas. I'm in Lisbon. I'm front running Ape Fest, filming to you live with my boy Cryptodilly. We've got a fun unboxing for you today. We're calling it Animation Wars Bracket 2. Dilly, tell the audience what we got going on today.
Today we got some powerhouses going up against each other. We got Azuki from the Ethereum blockchain going up head-to-head against Claynosaurs on Solana. Now these two projects, they're super special, but you guys are going to decide on which one is the best. Go to our Twitter, cast your vote on which one is the best in this series. The winner of this is going to go head-to-head against our previous winner, Forgotten Runes Wizard Cult. Go check out that video right above. Without further ado, Guccheetah, tell me a little bit about Azuki.
So Azuki launched in 2022 as a 10K PFP collection. They mix that like anime, manga, street life wear style all together in their beautifully art PFP collection. They jumping into the animation game. They've released one episode so far. We're about to see the trailer to that first episode, but the animation it's kind of dark, it's kind of adult, and it explores the lore of their garden, mysterious land, and expands the lore of their universe into this animation realm. So Dilly, let's play this trailer for episode 1 and let's get your opinion on it.
Yeah, let's get into it.
So what do you think?
My first impression is that the anime, whoever the artist is for this animation series, I mean, they killed it. So I'm super excited to watch this, see how much more of an adult anime this is, but it definitely feels like there's gonna be a really cool audience. I mean, you saw it, One Piece, right? It gives me One Piece vibes. It gives me like the anime series vibes, which is a stark contrast to what we're gonna see later on in this video. But I mean, what are your initial thoughts on the trailer?
Yeah, it's such a teaser for the episode, but it's giving me that like Matrix, John Wick vibes. Makes me want to see more. I haven't watched the first episode yet. I'm gonna do that. If you want to, the link is down below. But that's your first animation. Let's see who they're going up against. Dilly, tell us about Claynosaurs Animation and their project altogether.
Yeah, so Claynosaurs is a 10K PFP Solana project. The big thing about this project is they're pairing up claymation with dinosaurs. They obviously have the PFPs, but their actual whole team is made up of people from the entertainment industry. You got graphic designers, you got CGI, you got effects, you got animators. They have connections throughout the whole entertainment industry, so I'm really excited about this next one. So without further ado, let's check out the Claynosaurs trailer right out of the gate. So what are your thoughts on that one?
I mean, it's a cute cartoon, little too G for me. I don't know if I'd be watching that, but if I had kids or for those collectors that have children, what a great, you know, way to share Web3 with your kids. So I think it's gonna have, you know, some play in the space. Not much for me, but what do you think?
I think that's the big difference here. Obviously, it's a stark contrast to anime and what Azuki's building, but one thing that's special about Claynosaurs is that it caters to that younger audience. I think the Claynosaurs approach of targeting that younger demographic is really smart, and it's able to build that character building, and it's a family-friendly ordeal and endeavor, so it's a lot more audience. One thing that's really cool is that NFT holders are able to get early access to a lot of the different things that are being built, and then also help the direction of the story and the plot of the actual animated series. And Azuki is doing a lot of the same things, but they're doing it more the streetwear anime, like the skater. I think they're doing it different ways, and it's not for us to decide which one is the best. It's for you guys, the audience, to decide which one is the best. So definitely make sure you go find our tweet, cast your vote. If you're a community member, tell us why it's your favorite and which one you think should win, and go up against Forgotten Runes Wizard Cult. With that, any closing statements or remarks, Guccheetah?
No, just cast your vote. Winner goes up against last Animation Wars winner, Forgotten Ruins. So it's going to be a good matchup. We'll see it unfold here on Unboxing Web3.
Peace.